let us understand the concept of number of triangles in if we are given a certain number of points. Now suppose if there are 3 points, out of these 3 points I need all the 3 lines. We have to select all the 3 lines in order to find out the number of triangles. So if I have to write number of triangles, the number of triangle formed is 1. With these 3 points I can see 1 triangle. So if I write down the formula, out of the 3 points I need all the 3 points, and this is how I get the number of triangles. Now why I am choosing C? Again because it is selection. It does not matter आप AB लिखते हो या BA लिखते हो, all the 3 they are same. We can write it both ways. Now suppose if we have 4 points, then how many triangles are formed? 1, 2 and 3. So this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, left one is triangle 3, this one is triangle 3, and this one is triangle 4. Can you see all more triangles? You may say that there are smaller triangles, but you have to consider triangles with these points only, the 4 vertices. We are not supposed to see the smaller triangles. So the number of triangles formed, by my formula it should be 4C3. So if you calculate 4C3, it will be 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 1 factorial, and that counts me to 4. Now out of these 4 points, if 3 are collinear, then what will happen? See about the number of triangles. This is first triangle, this is second triangle, and this is third triangle. So can you see that the number of triangles are reduced? So what will I do? 1, 2 and 3 triangles are there. So now how will I do it? 4C3 was the total number of triangles. माइनस में हम वो ट्राइंगल कर देंगे जो पॉइंट्स हमारे कोलिनियर हैं. तो कोलिनियर क्या है? 1, 2 and 3 points. So how many points are collinear? 3 points are collinear. So 3C3. So that makes it 4 minus 1, and which will give you answer 3. Now suppose if you have 5 triangles, 5 points. ये 5 points अगर इस तरीके से है, then what will happen? यहाँ पे बना देते हैं, एक यहाँ पे बना देते हैं. 1 triangle, then we have 2 triangle, then we have 3 triangle. Can you see more triangles? Then we have 4 triangles. So let us find it out. So if we have 5 points, then 5C3 minus how many points are collinear? 3 points are collinear. So 3C3. So 5C3 gives me how much? 5 factorial. We'll just write it down. 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Minus में 3C3 is 1. So find it out how many triangles are there. So how many triangles will be there? 5 into 4 upon me 2, that is 10. 10 minus me 1, 9. So I should be able to find out 9 triangles if we have 3 points collinear. Now let us see. The first set of triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you see more? Okay. Now let us change the figure. If you wish to see clearly, then you have to see it, how are we forming it. 1, 2 and 3. This is forming one triangle. 1. Then you have second. Then you have this third one. Then you have this the bigger one, fourth one. Now you see this one. 4 हो चुकी हैं. 5. Then you have 6. Then you have 7. Okay. Now what else? 8. ये वाली triangle. And one more. This is 9. So we have 9 triangles. So what is the formula? If there are n points and you have to find out the number of triangles, the number of triangle is NC3. Now out of these n points, if 5 are collinear, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Minus 5C3. So NC3 minus 5C3. Why did I do minus 5C3? Because 5 points are collinear. So if there are collinear points, then this is the way you have to find out the number of triangles. Okay.